Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to show you we have this glass cutting knife and it's from Fender. So today we are going to unbox it, and I have a few. Let me cut it from this side. So this is the knife. And this is the tool that you use to put the calcine in the. So what you see here, you're going to open this side and put calcine, and I've just bought. So you drop it here, then put it inside. So this was just a quick video, and my case here happened to buy. I got some calcine. So let me try to fill it inside. So you have to use this tool to suck in the. So I'll do that later, but you have to use this tool, then drop inside, then you close it, and this is your knife here. So when the calcine travels there to go when you cut, then you'll be able to cut your glass. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon that got notified. So I'm going to be working on an aquarium, so I'm going to be cutting glass. So thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.